Hi friends, Sam here. So today we will be talking about content stages. So we know that content is king. I always say that, and content generation is should be part of our daily schedule. For every trainer and every coach, it is important that it should be part of your daily schedule. So what are the different stages of content? So I divided that in 3 stages: C, P, M. C stand for creation, content creation. So regularly, every day, you should create content. That may be the video, that may be let's say a blog post, that may be the podcast, that may be any article, any content. Every day you should generate the content. So what do you do? 1 hour at least from everyday schedule you reserve for creation. That is C. Next stage is, okay, so you created content. Now publishing that content is also important. If you just create the video and dump it to your hard drive, that's of no use. You need to publish it to the world. So second stage is publish. Now whenever you publish that, have the proper schedule of publishing it. For example, don't do like if you have a YouTube channel and you have 10 videos ready, so on the single day you are publishing 10 videos. Okay, don't do that. That's a mistake. You have to be consistent. YouTube and other social platform observes and monitors your consistency of content publishing. So what do? Use some scheduler tool, okay, or manually delegate that to some team member, saying that every day one content piece should be published. Okay, so if you have that many content pieces, then every day on a particular YouTube channel you can publish a video. Okay, if you have that much content. If you don't have that much content, then once in a week at least every YouTube channel you should have a video published. Once in a week minimum, once in a day maximum. Okay, so don't put multiple content pieces on the same day on the same platform, same channel. And don't delay more than a week to publish some content on a particular platform. Okay, so remember content publishing formula: minimum 1 content piece every week, maximum 1 content piece every day. Okay, that is about publishing. You can publish, as I said, blog post, podcast, YouTube video, short video, long video, whatever. Every day at least 1 content piece should be published. This is the success formula. Every day single content piece should be published somewhere from your side. So third one is M. M for marketing. So you created the content, you actually publish that also, but you need to share that with people. Okay, so for the marketing, what do? You have to do SEO. Okay, so YouTube SEO you have to do, your blog post SEO, search engine optimization you have to do, so that automatically your content should be searched. One thing. Second thing, you need to take efforts to share your content every day. So let's say on your Facebook profile, let's say on your LinkedIn page, or let's say on your Insta account, every day 1 content piece you have to share. Okay, so let's say if I have some video, okay, let's say I do have interview of my successful student, then what I will do, I will take some golden nuggets from that, I will create a post out of that, and then say for details you can check this YouTube video. So that kind of post I can create. So this is what is CPM formula for content. Okay, content is a king, and follow this. So creation, publishing and marketing. So guys, I do have if you are watching this video on maybe the YouTube or other social media, but I do have my private channel also where I do publish various content like this. So in case if you wanted to be part of that, then somewhere on this video or in description you will see video series is there. In case if you are watching this video on my private channel, after I pause speaking here, you will have one form. Fill your name, email ID and WhatsApp number in that form and you will be registered to my free Sam's Idea Factory video series, and you will get power pack video regularly. Okay, so that is what is there. Another thing, if you need anywhere my help, if you feel that you wanted to talk to me and ask me something, then get in touch with my team. So here my team's WhatsApp number might be there. Ping my team and just ask them that I wanted to talk to Sam. They will ask you some question, qualify you for my consultation call, and then you can get into the consultation call. Okay, so I hope this is useful for you. Stay tuned for the next video. Like this video, share with other people who needs that, and subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications for that. So needless to say, there is a bell icon. Click that, then you will get the notifications of whenever I upload any video in my channel. Okay, so thanks a lot and stay tuned and see you in the next video. Bye bye.